Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have hardware and permission ready, now act. First, plug in your headset or mic and select it as default in Windows or your OS. Next, open your voice chat and set push-to-talk to prevent ambient bursts. Then launch your chosen noise suppression tool and pick the microphone input. This routes cleaned audio to apps. Once done, confirm levels in your game and streaming software to ensure the process signal is active and not muted. Now fine-tune the processing so your voice stays natural. In the suppression app, start with moderate reduction. Overly aggressive settings create robotic tones. Make sure AGC is on to keep consistent volume, and enable the high-pass or low-cut filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble. In your streaming or chat app, select the virtual device created by the noise tool as microphone input. Finally, test with a short recording and adjust until background noise is gone, but your tone remains clear. Finish by performing a live check. Speak naturally while the noise suppression runs and confirm clarity with someone or a quick playback. If you hear wobble or gating, reduce suppression strength or enable a cardioid pattern on your mic to focus on your voice. If the process device disappears, restart the game, chat app, or noise tool and reselect the virtual input. That resolves most routing glitches. One key tip: if problems persist, temporarily disable plugins to isolate the cause before re-enabling them one at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.